Interested in making a personalized DIY gift box? Mosery Stapler makes the box packaging fast, easy, and visually appealing, perfect for your arts and craft hobby. This product is not only simple and easy to use, but also eco-friendly. A savvy way to make your own DIY box. Mosery Stapler. Mosery Stapler is designed specifically for making boxes. Try using our free layout available as an open source to create your own unique, fun DIY box. Regular boxes require each side to be folded and glued. While Mosery Stapler secures the corner with no glue and as little paper as possible. Making boxes has never been easier. Just staple away. Recycle the used boxes as your storage and be kind to the environment. Mosery Stapler works in 2 steps. The handle presses from the top and the crimp area presses from the bottom. It bends the staple up to 135 degrees and flattens it with its unique operation. And the flattened staples allow the users to smoothly open and close the completed boxes without any interference. Mosery Stapler is a product that was created after 4 years of testing and research. We're about to launch our first campaign on Kickstarter and need full support from our backers. Create a personalized gift box for your loved ones today. Mosery Stapler.